In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly for your team scheduling. To get started, sign into your Calendly account and open the Admin Center. This is your control room for everything related to your organization. From here, add the people who will collaborate with you. Choose Invite a teammate, and in the invitation window, enter your teammates' work email addresses. You can paste a list or type them in one by one. Double check spelling and domains so the invites don't bounce. Next, choose the right permission level for each person by selecting roles. Give admins full control only to those who truly need it, and assign more limited roles for teammates who just need to host or join events. Clear roles keep your account secure and your settings consistent. When everything looks correct, send the invite. Calendly will email each person with instructions to join your organization. If someone doesn't see it, remind them to check spam or company filters. Return to your main dashboard by selecting Back to Home. Now, it's time to create the scheduling experience your team and your invitees will use. Click Create to start a new event type, then choose Group. A group event lets multiple invitees book the same time slot, which is perfect for trainings, webinars, onboarding sessions, or broadcast-style office hours. Give your event a clear, descriptive name so people instantly understand the purpose, like weekly product demo or team onboarding. Keep it short and action-oriented. Set the duration to match your agenda. Shorter meetings reduce no-shows, while longer sessions give space for Q&A. Pick what serves your goal. Choose the location next. You can use your preferred video platform or an in-person address. Make sure any conferencing integrations are connected in your Calendly account so links generate automatically. Open the invitee limit setting to control how many people can book a single time slot. Set the maximum invitees for your group based on the experience you want. Smaller groups for interactivity, larger groups for broadcast-style events. This prevents overbooking and helps you plan staffing. When your settings are in place, click Create to publish the event type. You now have a shareable scheduling link your team can use in emails, websites, or chat. With teammates invited, roles assigned, and your group event configured, your organization is ready to schedule efficiently and consistently. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother team scheduling with Calendly.